Want to hear a joke? Yeah. How do you make an octopus laugh? How? You give it 10 tickles. Get it? 10 tickles? So fun. I said that's so fun. It's funny. Oh, no, Flounder. I think you have the hiccups. No way. Here, hold your breath. I'll count to 5, then you release. It helps make the hiccups go away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There.
Hey, you two. What's going on?
Hi, Lucia. Flounder's got the hiccups.
Oh, did you try holding your breath and counting to 5?
Yep.
Hey, I know. I can use a magic spell to make your hiccups go away.
That's a great idea.
Let's see. Hipo tengo, hipo doy. Si lo quieres, te lo doy.
Oh.
Why do you both look so big?
Lucia kind of made you a guppy.
A guppy? No! Sorry, Flounder. I know what to do.
Oh, my goodness.
Lucia, it didn't work.
Here, let me help you.
I'm back! You did it! Thank you, Lucia. And no more hiccups.
Oh, Flounder, I'm so glad your hiccups are...
Now you have the hiccups!
Lucia!
Uh-oh.